Today, we're demystifying CIBC's Global Money Transfer service, your reliable way to send funds internationally. To begin, log into your CIBC mobile banking app or online banking. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfer section and select Global Money Transfer. You'll then be prompted to choose an existing recipient or add a new one. If you're sending to a new recipient, you'll need their full name, address, bank name, account number, and SWIFT or BIC code. Next, specify the amount you wish to send. CIBC will display the exchange rate along with any applicable fees upfront, so you know exactly what you're paying. Review all the transfer details carefully: the recipient's information, the amount, exchange rate, and fees. Once confirmed, authorize the transfer. CIBC Global Money Transfers are typically completed within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the destination country and recipient bank. And that's it. You've successfully sent money internationally with CIBC's Global Money Transfer, making global connections easier than ever.